Do you feel like talking to Rogers customer service is an Olympic sport and the only medal you win is a headache? You're not alone. Rogers Communications, one of Canada's telecom giants, consistently faces intense public scrutiny and a flood of customer complaints. We're going to dive into the most common pain points based on reviews and reports, and look at the real challenges users face when trying to get help. When you look at public review forums, Better Business Bureau complaints, and industry reports, the issues tend to fall into three major, recurring categories. 1. The billing labyrinth. The number one, recurring complaint is almost always about billing errors and unexpected charges. Customers often report being quoted one price during a sign-up or renewal, only to have their bill jump significantly higher later on. This includes surprise activation fees, sudden increases to monthly plans, or charges for services they never ordered or thought were canceled. The common narrative here is one of confusion and having to constantly scrutinize every single bill. Compounding this is the issue of cancellation and equipment returns. Customers report canceling a service, but then getting charged for not returning equipment they either never received a return label for or were told they could keep. Resolving these billing disputes often leads directly into the second major problem. 2. The Great Wall of Wait Times. For many users, simply reaching a customer service agent is the first major hurdle. Reviews frequently describe agonizingly long hold times, often stretching into hours. Worse, some users report getting disconnected after a long wait, or being told the call volume is too high and to simply try again later. This is often described as a non-existent customer experience. You can't get service if you can't get through. Once you finally connect, the complaints shift to a lack of resolution. Users report having to explain the same issue multiple times to different agents due to frequent transfers, only to find that the previous agent's notes were incomplete or incorrect. This cycle of frustration is a huge driver of poor sentiment, leading to the third issue. 3. Service quality and accountability. This issue ties directly into network reliability and employee training. When there are service outages, which, let's face it, happen in telecom, customers often feel a lack of proactive communication and support. They end up calling in to report an issue that the company should already be addressing, only to be met with the aforementioned hold times. There are also reports of misinformation from sales or support staff. A customer is promised a specific discount or feature that an agent later claims was a mistake, leaving the customer to pay the difference or go through a tedious escalation process. This perception of low accountability, where the company's mistakes fall on the customer to fix, is what truly damages trust. So, while there are always positive experiences, and Rogers is working to improve its standing, the pattern of complaints points to persistent structural issues around billing transparency, accessibility, and consistency of service. If you find yourself in this situation, keep meticulous records, note the date, time, and the name of every agent you speak with. That paper trail is your best defense. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.